السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم عدد خلقك ورضا نفسك وزنة عرشك ومداد كلماتك. اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على نبينا محمد عدد ما ذكره الذاكرون وغافل عن ذكره الغافلون. What's up everyone? Islam is here. If you want to know how I turn this into this, just keep watching. First of all, I had to take off all hardware. Then I used Jasco paint stripper. After applying the paint stripper, I have left it for 15 minutes. Then started to strip the paint. Honestly, it's easier to take off the door and work on it. Every time I painted the whole door, I had to wait 15 minutes, then start stripping. As you saw guys, stripping paint took forever. This door had at least 4 layers of paint. I used a razor, but I made sure it's dull. Then I started very carefully to strip the paint layers, a layer after layer. So the process was spread the liquid, strip the paint, clean, then repeat. I made sure to carefully strip the paint without scratching the surface of the door. It's a very easy process, but it's very time consuming. And because I work alone, I have spent 2 to 3 days working on paint stripping only. I know you got the idea, but I want you to see the whole process, so please keep watching. Now, after stripping the paint layers, here is the door without paint. I didn't worry about these because I sanded it out. Time to sand with 60 grit sandpaper. Make sure to match these holes together. If you want, you can put a mask on. I haven't though. Now, keep sanding. Enjoy. And don't forget to replace the sanding paper when needed. To finish sanding, time to use the ultra-fine 220 grit. When the surface becomes very smooth, you're good to go. If you have small holes like these, you have to fill them up first. You can use a compressed air to dust them off. Now time to start filling the holes with plastic wood. I made sure that it's stainable, paintable, natural. As you see guys, I used my finger to fill all the holes. Do not worry about the excess, you can sand it off later. I used Minwax wood stain. Make sure you stain in the same direction. After 2 to 3 hours, I used a main wax clear coat for protection. Now time to install the hardware, and it's done. Okay, after installing the hardware, here is the final look. Let me show you. Of course, I have to work on the door frame, and I will be done. So, thanks for watching, guys. And if you think I helped you, please like, share, comment, and most of all, subscribe for more. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. See ya.